tired of spending hundreds of dollars on beard trimmers that stop working in a month? You're not alone. In this video, I'm revealing the best budget beard trimmer under $50 that actually works, trusted by thousands of men across the USA and Canada. Let's save your money in your beard. Let's go! Hi, I'm Ruhul Amin from Raminmark, and I review only those products I'd recommend to my own brother. If you're looking for quality grooming tools without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. And yes, this video includes my personal Amazon affiliate links, so if you find it helpful and choose to buy through them, I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Let's be real, most cheap trimmers sound great on paper, but they either pull your beard, die after 3 weeks, or feel like trimming with a chainsaw. I've tested over 20 trimmers under $50, and 90% are just garbage. But I found a few that shocked me, in a good way. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is the one budget trimmer that consistently delivers clean cuts, zero skin irritation, and actually feels premium in the hand. Why I recommend this? Self-sharpening blades. 13 attachments included. Durable metal body, not cheap plastic. And it's under $30. Seriously. I asked my cousin Jake in Toronto to test it for 2 weeks. He's got a thick beard, trims every 3 days, and he's tried Wall, Remington, and even Panasonic. His review? It trims better than my $90 Wall. Battery lasts longer. I'm not going back. That's real feedback, not paid fluff. Look, you could spend $80 on the Wall stainless or $120 on the Panasonic. They're great, no doubt. But for everyday use, most people don't need all the extra tech. You need clean, smooth trimming. And this Philips gets it done, without the luxury price tag. Pro tip: if you're in the USA or Canada, Amazon usually offers free shipping and extended returns on this model. So it's risk-free. You can return it if you're not satisfied, but trust me, you won't need to. So if you're tired of wasting money on useless beard trimmers, just grab the one that works. Philips Norelco 3000. Budget-friendly, highly rated, and tested in real life. Support this channel by buying through the affiliate link below, and let me know your beard routine in the comments. Thanks for watching Raminmark. Hit that subscribe button if you want more honest product reviews like this, and don't forget to smash that like if you love saving money and time. See you in the next one.